Hey, I'm Pete Murphy, the Managing Director at EPOC Enviro in America. They call me President.
Hi, I'm Jörg Ziegler. I'm the Manufacturing Manager for EPOC Enviro, and in Germany they call me Jörg.
Yeah, nice. EPOC Enviro started off as a division of the company, and now it's kind of turned into an entity on its own right, where we manufacture water treatment plants that are designed to remove complex contaminants. Mainly we're focusing on PFAS, which is a fluorocarbon chemistry. That's kind of a really common industrial chemistry that has a lot of health and environmental issues, and we've developed a water treatment system to remove them, so EPOC is pushing those out to the world market. PFAS is fairly ubiquitous. It's all over the world. They say it's in everybody's blood now, and it's found in all corners from the Arctic to the equator. And it's a problem because it has a lot of associated health effects, even in really, really low concentrations. So very concerning from a human health point of view. And of course, these problems are reflected out in the environment as well, in the animals that are ingesting these products. So it's really critically important that we get rid of it from the environment wherever we can. So for 7 years now, we've been working on trying to find a solution to this problem of PFAS and how we can remove it from the environment. And so what we've done is ultimately developed a SAF system. So SAF is surface active foam fractionation, and in its simplest form, it's putting air bubbles into contaminated water to float the contaminants out, and there we harvest them as a foam from the top. So we've been developing this system. We have two models, a SAF 20 and a SAF 40, and one of which is behind us.
So a typical day here in Emu Plains is there's a lot of activities, online and offline activities that occur at the same time. The online activities, the team start off in the morning with a kick-off meeting to really go through the day, what we have planned, what did we do yesterday, any kind of issues that occurred, and any learnings we have from the particular feedback we get from the fields, from our team overseas, that we have that really direct link to the floor at any given time. Then they go their daily way. But we also have got a lot of offline activities which we need to remember. That's planning and procurement, any kind of technical challenges we are facing that are done offline that need to be addressed in a very short and efficient manner. So that's sort of the typical day that occurs here, where we negotiate with suppliers, trying to follow up on orders we have placed to make sure that this whole operation in itself is going to be efficient and seamless. One of the units we're working on that we're excited about is that first unit for the Australian market for Shoalhaven. It makes it really tangible and accessible to the team. We're going to have a lot of learning and teaching opportunities where not only practical application, but also remembering that this is the blueprint for the world manufacturing environment we want to set up, where the team can grow and mature and take their career path as part of the EPOC Enviro manufacturing team, to take it into the world with a humble beginning here in Emu Plains. I think that's fantastic when you're really at the beginning of such a milestone and journey.
It's amazing.
Yeah. Now we've come a long journey in the last 12 to 18 months. We manufactured or produced 3 units last year. This year we are heading towards 12 to 13. Next year we're planning to do 25 units out of this facility, and then heading towards that 50 units a year, which is going to be an amazing milestone to achieve within the next 18 to 24 months.
Yeah, so I guess hang on for the ride is probably the key message.